I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I made $14,617.26 in 63 minutes. Now, first and foremost, where did I actually make this? I made this as a ClickFunnels affiliate. $14,617.26 so far. So far I have $12,000 paid out and over $2,000 pending. In the last 30 days, I made $1,371.37. The last week, I've made $300, and today so far, $14.55. So, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and basically cover how I actually did this, and more importantly, how you can go ahead and replicate my results. So, first and foremost, this is the magic solution that we're looking at right here. And if you stick to the very end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and unveil the exact videos that allowed me to do this, right? So, first and foremost, I created YouTube content. Now, before I even talk about YouTube content, what I had to do first is I had to become, number one, a ClickFunnels member. Number two is once I became a ClickFunnels member, by default, you are eligible to become an affiliate, and I'm actually not an active affiliate. I recently just started becoming an active affiliate, promoting it with my free traffic, but initially when I first started this, like, I wasn't even active. I don't even promote this. I promote other affiliate offers to where I've made over 100 grand, like multiple six figures with other affiliate offers, but this one has made me $14,000 in 63 minutes, so I'm not complaining. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how, right? So the first thing is, once you become a ClickFunnels affiliate, they're gonna go ahead and give you access to your affiliate links. So an example is, so get my affiliate tools and links. And then what I did, right, is this free 14-day trial, right? I decided to become an affiliate and literally promote this link right here. Now, what does this actual link look like? It's not gonna go ahead and allow me to show you guys because I'm already logged into my ClickFunnels account, but basically it sends them to this sales presentation that Russell Brunson created, one of the best marketers on the planet by far. So obviously this converts, right? When you send traffic to it, people are gonna buy. So I decided to promote this as an affiliate, but you're probably asking, well, Eric, how did you make this for free, right? With no investment. You didn't run any ads or nothing like that. No ads whatsoever. So this is what I did. Basically, what I decided to do is I decided to use YouTube as a traffic source. Now, I wanna ask you a question. What are the three things that people are gonna search before they go ahead and decide to hop on board with ClickFunnels? Number one is they're gonna go to search the search term ClickFunnels on YouTube, right? Either on Google or on YouTube. Next, what they're gonna go and search is they're gonna go and search ClickFunnels review, right? They're gonna go and search that search term as well. And then last but not least, what are they gonna go and search? They're gonna go ahead and type in how to build a sales funnel, right? So what I decided to do was I was like, okay, so this is what people are going to be searching for. How about before they make a buying decision, I create that content so that way I can steal all that traffic and all those eyeballs and get them to my affiliate link. So I did exactly just that. I decided to create 3 videos, and those 3 videos basically ranked for a series of keywords, right? So basically this is what it looks like, right? Here's your YouTube video that you're creating for these specific keywords like ClickFunnels review, how to become a ClickFunnels affiliate, like so many things, right? But after you give people value and you teach them something on the actual video, or you give them a review, you say, hey, while you're here, I mean, you might as well go ahead and click the link in my description. So you give a call to action in the description, and in the description, the call to action, the link there is going to be the affiliate link, right? Now, all that traffic, guys, that is extremely warm traffic, and the reason why it's warm traffic is because the search terms that these people searched before they actually came across my content is basically buyer's questions, meaning questions people want answered before they make a buying decision. So with that being said, once they find my content, I give them that reassurance. Now they make a buy. Now they are ready to buy. It's convenient. Instead of typing in clickfunnels.com, they literally just click a button. it drops down, they see my description, they click the link, and it's easier for them, right? And because I gave them value, they don't mind clicking my affiliate link, right? I taught them something, right? I gave them some sort of value or benefit. And then what it does is it redirects them to this sales presentation that I did not create. Russell Brunson, one of the greatest marketers of all time, created this sales process, right? And basically, people buy it. Now guys, how did I make so much money? I'm gonna go ahead and break that down. And not so much money like job quitting income, but guys, I'm making, if we look here, I'm making over $1,000 a month in residual income. Keyword, residual income. So the reason why I've been able to make $14,000 is because ClickFunnels is not, okay, I sell a product, you buy it, and then you get paid a commission one time. ClickFunnels is a software. It says SaaS products, SaaS products, software as a service, meaning people use ClickFunnels over a period of time. So I've personally been using ClickFunnels as a software for over 2 years. I bought ClickFunnels through somebody else's affiliate link. So that means you get paid $38 for each person you refer, minimum. That's 38 times 24, you do the math. You get the point, 30, 40, let's just say 30 times. So that's, I paid that one person $600 in affiliate commissions, right? From one customer, right? So because of this recurring revenue, just my lifetime earnings just continues to go up and go up and go up, right? Now, what were the actual videos that I created, right? I'll go and show you the 3 videos right here, right? The first one, it doesn't have the thumbnail, but if you notice, published October 28, 2017, ClickFunnels, right? So I ranked for ClickFunnels, and I also ranked for sales funnel creation. So because I ranked that, I got 13,000 views, and in my description, I have sales funnels, right? I have my affiliate link. Boom, that's one example. Another one is ClickFunnels review. So as I stated before people make a buying decision, they watch my video. So it says ClickFunnels review. I have 11,000 views. And basically, if you look here, I have my link in the description, sales funnels. There goes ClickFunnels. And last but not least is how to create a sales funnel for affiliate marketing products fast and easy, 8,000 views. And that is November 17th. And then in the description, I have my ClickFunnels affiliate link. Now guys, in total, these three videos combined was 63 minutes. So with that being said, 63 minutes worth of work, because